Are you worried about inflation eroding your retirement savings? If you're looking for ways to protect your wealth, investing in commodities can be one of the most effective strategies. Commodities like gold, silver, and oil have historically outperformed traditional investments like stocks and bonds during times of inflation. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use commodities to safeguard your money in retirement. Stick around because I'll also reveal a specific investment strategy that could dramatically increase your protection. Before we dive into the details, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to download a free guide on why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to shield their savings from inflation. This guide is perfect if you have 100K or more in your IRA, 401K, or even if you have up to $5 million in savings. Now, let's get into commodities. You've probably heard about gold, silver, and oil being used as hedges against inflation. But what does that actually mean for you as a retiree? Simply put, when the value of the dollar declines due to inflation, commodities tend to rise in value. Why? Because real assets, like precious metals and natural resources, are in limited supply, and their value isn't tied directly to the dollar. Take gold, for example. Throughout history, gold has been a safe haven during times of economic uncertainty. When inflation spikes, the price of gold tends to increase as people flock to it for its stability. It's no wonder so many retirees are using gold IRAs as a primary inflation hedge. It allows you to hold gold in a tax-advantaged account while protecting your wealth from the ongoing loss of purchasing power. But what about other commodities? Well, silver works similarly to gold, often benefiting from both inflation and economic growth. It's used in industrial applications, which can drive demand higher as global economies expand. And just like gold, you can invest in silver through commodities-focused ETFs, futures contracts, or even physical silver. But when comparing silver to gold, gold is the clear winner for long-term wealth preservation, especially for retirees. Oil and other natural resources are also solid inflation hedges, but they come with more volatility. While oil prices tend to rise when inflation heats up, they are subject to geopolitical risks, supply chain disruptions, and fluctuations in global demand. So, oil can be a bit of a wild card for retirees looking for steady protection. Now, you might be wondering, how can I invest in these commodities? The simplest way is through a gold IRA. A gold IRA is specifically designed to help you protect your retirement savings with gold, silver, and other precious metals. If you have an IRA or 401k, you can roll that over into a gold IRA tax-free. This allows you to diversify your portfolio and reduce your exposure to inflationary risks without incurring penalties. But let's talk about the alternative options for a second. While you can invest in commodities directly through ETFs or futures, these methods often come with higher fees and greater complexity. Plus, they don't offer the same tax advantages that a gold IRA does. That's why, for retirees, a gold IRA is the best way to get exposure to commodities while enjoying the tax benefits of a retirement account. If you're serious about protecting your wealth with a gold IRA, I encourage you to check out the link in the description. It's a free guide that thousands of Americans are using to safeguard their savings against inflation. Whether you have 100K or $5 million, this guide will show you how gold IRAs can help you retain your purchasing power in retirement. To wrap up, investing in commodities for inflation protection is one of the most reliable strategies to preserve wealth. Gold, silver, and oil can all serve as excellent inflation hedges, but a gold IRA is by far the best option for retirees looking to protect their savings. If you have over 100Ks in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 million in savings, a gold IRA could be your ticket to financial security in retirement. Click the link in the description now to learn why thousands of Americans are choosing gold IRAs to protect their wealth today.